How to start bookmark on or pin a message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on messages app. Now here, so click on conversation. So if you want to set start, so just click and hold on message and you will see click on start, so you will see your messages start. So if you want to find and see, so just click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, you will see third option is start. So after click on start, you will see your messages and your pictures, gifs is showing, bookmarks is showing here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can start, bookmark or pin a message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.